Pray ka muna bro bago ka mag-take off ha. Sa'yo ito. Relax ka lang. Ha? Gagabayan ka ni Lord.
Yes, Cap. Copy po. Thank you, Cap.
Kaya mo yan, pre!
Thank you, Cap.
Ha?
Yes, Cap.
Andun lang ako, hintayin mo ako magra-radyo sa'yo, ha?
Yes, Cap.
Dito ka lang muna, okay? Kaya mo?
Good luck, bro.
Thank you po.
Alcon?
Yes, Cap.
Ready?
Ready, Cap. Bell Radio RPC 1028 at holding point 17. May request taxi to runway 17.
108, may line up 17.
May line up 17 RPC 1028.
Ilocos Advisory RPC 1884 at Graph will taxi to run-up area.
Bell Radio RPC 1028 at active runway ready for takeoff.
108, may takeoff 17.
May takeoff 17 RPC 1028. Brakes, heels on the floor, applying full power, aircraft in motion, RPM stable, engine instrument on green, suction gauge on green, airspeed is increasing, 40, 50, 60, rotate, stop brakes. The radio to the right, next heading 080, maintaining 700 feet. Approaching 080, rolling out. Flaps 20. Bell Radio RPC 1028, establish base 17 for full stop.
108, may land 17.
May land 17 RPC 1028. Flaps 30.
Energy RPC 1886 at ramp, good morning. Standby. Standby RPC 1886. One eighty six, good morning. Alcon, taxi and hold the main terminal. Congrats, Alcon.
Thank you, Cap. Thank you po.
Thank you, thanks for giving me. Congrats, bro.
Thank you po.
Energy RPC 1886 at ramp, good morning. 186, morning, good. Energy RPC 1886, engine start up complete and request taxi to run up air for run up 6. 86, say again, sir. May 170 and my 17 use my taxi to run up area 186 Manjab. URB 4604.
Oh, nalaglag?
Opo, Cap. Nahulog po kanina kaya hinayaan ko na, Cap. Meron pa naman po yung dalawa kasi.
Ganda ng landing mo ah.
Yo, Cap.
Sige, tara.
Saan tayo, Cap?
Doon na.
Okay po.
Ganda ng landing mo. Very good.
Thank you, Cap.